Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to fix incorrect screen time on iPhone after iOS 18 update. If your iPhone is showing incorrect screen time and you want to fix it, so let's see how we can do it. First you have to open your phone settings. Now scroll down and go to screen time, and here the screen time of your phone. If you think it's incorrect, so you have to follow some steps. First go back and here go to general, and here you have to select background app. Here's that, tap on it, and here you have to tap on it again. After that you have to turn off it. After turning off, just go back and then go to main settings, and here you have to select screen time, tap on it. Now you have to scroll to the end, and here's the other setting, which is turn off app and website activity. Tap on it, then tap on it again, and after that you have turned off your apps activity and your screen time is off. Now you just have to make a reset of your phone. So just for this you have to make a force restart of your phone. For this you have to first hold and release volume up button, then volume down, and then hold and keep the power button. So let's do it. First volume up, then volume down, and then power button, and keep it until your phone has been restarted. So just slide it to right, and after turning off your phone you have to turn it on. Just keep a long press on power button, and when the Apple logo will be shown up on your screen. As you can see, my phone is restarting. After the phone has been restarted, so we have to do some settings. Just unlock it first, and here go to settings, and after that you have to scroll down and open screen time. Here you have an option of app and website activity. Tap on it, then turn it on, and now you have successfully refreshed your screen time, and your problem is not solved after doing that all. So you have to do a last step. You have to go to general, and here just scroll to the end, and here you'll get an option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, then tap on reset, and here you have to choose reset all settings, and after that you have to enter your passcode to reset your phone, and after that your phone will be completely reset. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.